campus.
The primary focus of VIT management is to get everyone who gets admission into VIT a good placement.
Management is so cooperative enough to work with us from the first year itself.
Students of VIT really make a difference because they're able to not just come pat with answers, but actually ask intelligent questions, and then they have the grit to actually follow up and find answers.
Year over year, when the recruitment continued to happen, I could see a significant difference between how the students from the VIT operate and behave versus the other colleges.
Placement committee is extremely cooperative.
20% of my last year's hiring came from VIT recruitment.
100% of the people, whoever we hired as a part of the internship program, we have released the permanent offers to all the people.
I'm Dr. V. Samuel Rajkumar, Director of Placement and Training at VIT University, Vellore. So I head the placements for VIT for all the campuses. We have 4 campuses, as you know, Vellore, Chennai, Amaravati and Bhopal. The placement process is a centralized process here. The primary focus of VIT management is to get everyone who gets admission into VIT a good placement in a company which is of repute, which offers a good salary. And not only one job offer, actually we want to give the students multiple job offers and want to promote them in the career of their choice. Every year we get about 700 plus companies visiting VIT for campus recruitment. The placement cell role starts at VIT right from the day one when a student gets admitted into VIT. So we engage with them actually through training right from first year, orient them for the placement process which they will be attending in the final year. The key differentiator in the training is we have a soft skills as a 1 credit course. We help the academics in getting the industry members for board of studies and academic council as well. So as part of our interaction with the academia, we ensure that the industry people are on the board of studies so that the curriculum is revised every year, so that it benefits the placement cell also in terms of placements. We enable them to interact with the industry through industry visits and the workshops or project work.
So with so much activity happening inside the campus, student activities, exposure to various clubs and chapters, we see people are much more well-rounded.
So we engage the departments of the school in connecting them with the industry so that the pedagogy, the teaching learning process also get changed as per the industry needs. So whenever there is a change in the curriculum or whenever there is an industry need saying that this needs to be changed, so we are there and we are ready to do that. We train even the non-CS students on Java. Another key differentiator is our PG internships. They have a 10-month internship period. So we have about 100 plus companies in this category itself who are coming and hiring the PG interns. And there is a 90% conversion after the internship, and the salaries ranges from 6 lakhs to 15 lakhs for a PG student who completes his PG from VIT. So we also have a full-time internship model for the BTechs as well. So the BTechs have a 6 months internship starting from December. We get close to 300 plus companies from the BTech stream, for hiring them as interns when they come for the internship recruitments.
The management is so cooperative enough to work with us from the first year itself. That is one of the open invitations that we always have from VIT, to come, interact with the students, work with them and nurture them.
Make use of platforms that VIT is setting up for you through these different MOUs with different companies and or organizations, right? Which is a brilliant move by VIT. All the students, I would recommend them to get involved in these initiatives.
I think 100% of the people, whoever we hired as a part of the internship program, we have released the permanent offers to all the people. They do true R&D work for the 6 to 8 months, and we see a lot of value with the internship program, which we are engaging every year.
Another initiative is about the international internships. So we have students who have gone to US, UK and other countries for doing their final semester internships with these companies. So after their internship, they come back to India, work in their Indian offices, and they have an advantage of going abroad immediately after they fulfill their visa requirements. So these are some of the initiatives which we are doing on campus for recruitment.
We have a tailor-made process that we have come up with ourselves based on the kind of people that do well in our company. So our recruitment process usually goes on for 3 or 4 days with multiple rounds of interviews, group discussions, and even like game design courses where we ask them to build a game while we are on campus itself. And the placement committee has been extremely cooperative in making sure that all the logistics are taken care of and we are able to execute these plans very well.
The placement process is a digital process. So we have our own portal wherein the student applies for a job, he takes practice tests, he takes mock tests, he takes mock interviews. We also bring in a lot of HR managers and professionals to come and do mock interviews before they go for the placement process.
Mentors came from different companies. They came and gave us advice on how to do an interview, right? Even that itself, I'll say, was a wealth of knowledge for us to even attend the interview, which was like so nerve-wracking at that time. The mock interviews, and I'll say every single minute I was here, I was learning a lot.
As we are strong in our placements, so we also do CSR. We have formed a placement consortium to help the colleges in and around Vellore. So we have a lot of colleges from engineering as well as arts and science in and around Vellore. So whenever there is a company that wants to do pooled campus drives at VIT, we invite these students. We also help them in training these students. So these students come on campus, come to Vellore campus, they get trained. In a year, about 300-400 students gets placed through this consortium initiative. So we have a category of students called STAR students, who are the government students who get scholarships and get admitted into VIT. So we do special training for them to get them placed. So we were able to place them in companies like TCS Digital, Dell, Cognizant, Virtusa. So these students are doing well, and we are happy that we are able to help them actually in their pursuing their career.
Today I have about 8 people in my organization from the STAR scheme. I will tell you, 2 of them are the most top employee of my last year's calibration. They contribute to most number of patents. They work on the most critical projects, and they are very flexible. I continue to support the STAR scheme. The reason why I'm continuing to support is it's a game changer in this industry. It's going to change a generation. It's the people who's coming from the rural. India is all about rural, right? We need to bring education level up to the grassroots. That is the vision of Dr. Vishwanathan. I want to be supporting that vision. I want to support as much as possible, not just hiring. Any means help towards to grooming that STAR scheme to the next level, I'm for it.
Every year we do Leadership Connect in major cities. So we invite the recruiters who have come on campus for recruitments, take their feedback. Our leadership team connects with them to improve the academic process as well as the placement process. We also collect feedback from the interviewers or the recruiters who come on campus immediately after the selection process, and give this feedback to the internal quality assurance cell, which is again communicated to the schools. In case if a student lacks in the technical knowledge or communication skills, so we train them again, and so that these improvements can be made when they come on campus for the next year placements.
Recruiting from VIT since 2014, and every time we go there, we've been impressed with the quality of students. And we see that with each year, there's a quality is just getting better and better.
In an R&D organization like mine, it's the ability to ask amazing questions that defines the intelligence of a person. And that's where I think students of VIT really make a difference, because they're able to not just come pat with answers, but actually ask intelligent questions, and then they have the grit to actually follow up and find answers.
Today, I'm proud to say that 20% of my last year's hiring came from VIT recruitment. In that 20%, 5% are STAR scheme guys. We specifically kept 5% for STAR scheme people. I'm proud to say that, and they have been phenomenal.
As a college, it has grown organically with one vision from Dr. GV that the best way to make the college work is bring the students from all over the world. I think that's probably the USP of why this college has got such a great recognition across the world now.